Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the reading of simple words from vowel and consonant sounds K to M. Right up. Okay, next is the letter K. K, K, K. Okay, let's read. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Okay, next one. Cattle, cattle, cattle. Next. Key, key, key. Okay, next. Koala, koala, koala. Next. Kit, kit, kit. Okay, next one. Kite, kite, kite. Next. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, next one. Kitten, kitten, kitten. Right, and the last word. Kudo, kudo, kudo. Okay, now let's go back to the words. Okay, let's start with kangaroo. Letter O here is doubled, so the sound is oo, oo, kangaroo. Okay, next, letter E here is silent. Okay, it has a silent sound. That's why it is read cattle, cattle. Okay, silent E. All right, next one is key. Okay, E and Y has a single sound. Okay, just one sound. E. Okay, E. Key. All right, then next is a combination of O and A. Okay, it is read O, O. Okay, sound is O. That's why you read it koala, koala. All right, now let's go to the letter I and the letter I. Okay, the difference is this one is read kit and this one is kite. All right, I here is E, kit, and then the letter I here is I, kite, kite, and the letter E is again a silent sound, silent E. Okay, kite, kite. All right, next is the kitchen. Okay, we have a combination of the letter C and the letter H. Okay, its sound is ch, ch, ch. Okay, and then for kitten, we only have a double T, so it has the same sound. T, t, t. Okay, kitten, kitten. Just like here in the word kettle, letter T is doubled, so t, t. Same sound, kettle. Okay, good. Now let's go to the letter L. Okay, L, L. All right, let's read the words. Lamb, lamb, lamb. Okay, next. Ladder, ladder, ladder. Okay, next one. Leg, leg, leg. Okay, next. Lit, lit, lit. Okay, next. Like, like, like. Next. Lost, lost, lost. Okay, next. Luck, luck, luck. Okay, next. laugh, laugh, laugh. Okay, next one. Lawn, lawn, lawn. Okay, and the last, loan, loan, loan. Okay, good. Now let's go back to the words. Okay, look at letter I in here and here. Okay, I in here is I, so lit, lit. Okay, I, while I here is I. Okay, that's why it is read like, like. E has a silent sound, silent E. Okay, like. Next is the letters C and K. Okay, it's a combination, so it's just a basic sound of k, k, k. Luck, luck. Okay, look at the next word, laugh. Okay, laugh. All right, A and U here are combined, but they have just one sound. Okay, single sound, ah, ah, ah. Okay, laugh. And then another is a combination of the letter G and H. Okay, together they sound f, f, just like the letter F. Okay, that's why you read this one, laugh. Okay, laugh. A and U, ah, G and H, f, f. Okay, again, laugh, laugh. Okay, next one, lawn. Okay, lawn. A and W are combined. Okay, it has a sound of O, O. So we read this lawn, lawn. Okay, A-W, O, O, lawn. Okay, while as O and A here sounds like a long O. Okay, O, long O, right? O plus A, O. Okay, that's why we read it loan, loan. Okay, good. Again, lawn, loan, lawn, loan. Last, lawn, loan. Okay, good. Now next is the letter M. Okay, let's read. Man, man, man. Okay, next one. Melt, melt, melt. Okay, next. Moon, moon, moon. Next one. Milk, milk, milk. Next. Mug, mug, mug. Okay, next. Mute, mute, mute. Okay, next. Meal, meal, meal. Okay, next one. Most, most, most. And the last word, mare, mare, mare. Okay, let's go back to the words. Okay, look at the letter U here in the word mug. Okay, the sound of U is okay, mug. All right, while as U here is U. Okay, so it is read mute, mute. Okay, again, mug, mug. Okay, mute, U, mute. Okay, next, this is a combination of the letters E and A. Okay, so they just have a single sound, which is E. E. Okay, meal, meal. All right, and then the letter A here is purely A. Okay, A. Mare, mare, mare. Okay, A here is ah, ah, man, man. Okay, mare, mare, man, mare. Okay, good. Yes, so we have finished reading simple words from vowel and consonant sounds K to M. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, stick around for the next video of the letters N to Q. See you and bye for now.